In this video, I am going to teach you how to set a stop loss on Coinbase to protect your crypto investments. If you're looking to manage risk and prevent major losses, setting a stop loss is essential. This tutorial is perfect for beginners using the updated Coinbase interface. Let's get started. First, go to coinbase.com and sign into your account using your credentials. Make sure your account is fully verified for trading access. Next, turn on Advanced Trade by clicking the toggle at the bottom left corner of the dashboard. This enables detailed trading features like stop loss and limit orders. Then, navigate to the Spot section and select the crypto you want to trade. For this example, you could pick Bitcoin or Ethereum. The trading chart and order panel will load. After that, go to the Buy and Sell section and under Order Type, select Stop Limit from the dropdown. This allows you to define a trigger price, stop, and a selling price, limit. And that's how you set a stop loss on Coinbase. If this walkthrough helped you, give it a like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more fast and easy crypto tutorials. See you next time!